Do you know that websites or blog without a menu can have various visibility challenges, ranging from high bounce rates, because users, as they come into your website and they are not able to see what they're looking for, they will leave your website out of frustration, even if your website has the content that got them there at the first place. And also search engine visibility challenges, as search engines like Google use the entire structure of your website, including the menu, to understand what your website is about and also to categorize it in relevance and hierarchy. Hi, I'm Wise from the Manager, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add a page to your WordPress menu right away. Let's dive in. So in order to do this, I'll be using this dummy website. So let's assume this is your website and you want to add a page to your menu here. And on your menu you have home, project and contact. So let's say you want to add a blog to your menu so that when visitors come to your website, they'll be able to read through your blog posts. So you go to your WordPress admin dashboard and scroll down all the way to appearance and click on menu. Now on your menu, you want to observe this that says select a menu to edit, because you might have so many menus, but in this case I want to work on the main menu, which is my navigation menu. So I click and select. Now you have to observe that this is the same thing with what you have on your website, home, project and contact, and over here is the same thing. So this is where I want to add a page. So you scroll over to your pages, you have post also, scroll over to your pages, and I want to add a blog, so I'll click on blog and add menu, add to menu. So there you have it. Mind you, you can also take this to wherever you want it to appear. You can let it appear after your home, or you can make it the first thing people see when they come to your website, or just anywhere you want to put it. And also you can make it a subfolder so that when people have to click on project, then underneath project, inside project, that's where they find your blog. But in this case I want to make it a folder, a menu on its own. So after that you click on save, and there you have it. Go over to your main website and reload this page, and let's see how that goes. Okay, so now on our main website we have our blog in our menu. And just like that, guys, you've been able to successfully add a page to your WordPress menu. Now your visitors will be able to understand your website better and navigate through. Hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. Cheers.